the most advanced. Penetration testing distribution. Kali Linux is an open-source, Debian-based Linux distribution geared towards various information security tasks, such as penetration testing, security research, computer forensics, and reverse engineering. The industry standard. Kali Linux is not about its tools, nor the operating system. Kali Linux is a platform. Make your job easier. You can take any Linux and install pentesting tools on it, but you have to set the tools up manually and configure them. Kali is optimized to reduce the amount of work, so a professional can just sit down and go. Kali everywhere. A version of Kali is always close to you, no matter where you need it. Mobile devices, containers, ARM, cloud providers, Windows subsystem for Linux, pre-built virtual machine, installer images, and others are all available. Customization. With the use of meta packages, optimized for the specific tasks of a security professional, and a highly accessible and well-documented ISO customization process, it's always easy to generate an optimized version of Kali for your specific needs. Documentation. Whether you are a seasoned veteran or a novice, our documentation will have all the information you will need to know about Kali Linux. Multiple tips and recipes are available to help ease doubts or address any issues. All documentation is open, so you can easily contribute. Community. Kali Linux, with its backtrack lineage, has a vibrant and active community. There are active Kali forums, IRC channel, Kali tools listings, an open bug tracker system, and even community-provided tool suggestions, all the tools you need. The Kali Linux penetration testing platform contains a vast array of tools and utilities. From information gathering to final reporting, Kali Linux enables security and IT professionals to assess the security of their systems. Find out all about Kali's tools. Kali everywhere. Undercover mode. Using Kali in an environment where you don't want to draw attention to yourself? Kali Undercover is the perfect way to not stand out in a crowd. Kali NetHunter. A mobile penetration testing platform for Android devices, based on Kali Linux. Kali NetHunter is made up of an app, App Store, Kali Container, and QX. WinQX. WinQX provides a full Kali desktop experience for Windows WSL. Applications started via Kali's panel will share the desktop with Microsoft Windows applications. ARM architecture. Cheap and low-powered devices, which make for great leave-behind devices. Modern ARM-based laptops provide high speed with long battery life as an assessment platform. Bare-metal. Single or multiple boot Kali, giving you complete control over the hardware access, perfect for inbuilt Wi-Fi and GPU, enabling the best performance. Cloud computing. Hosting providers which have Kali Linux pre-installed, ready to go, without worrying about looking after the infrastructure. Container. Using Docker or LXD allows for extremely quick and easy access to all of Kali's tools, without the overhead of a isolated virtual machine. Kali Mobile. A mobile penetration testing platform for Android devices, based on Kali Linux. Kali NetHunter consists of a NetHunter app, App Store, Kali Container, and QX. Live USB. Kali in your pocket, ready to go with live boot. Your Kali, always with you, without altering the host OS, plus allows you to benefit from hardware access. Virtual machine. VMware and VirtualBox pre-built images ready to go, allowing for a Kali install as bare as possible, with additional features such as snapshots, without altering the host OS. And we have Vagrant images too. Windows subsystem for Linux. WSL is included out of the box with modern Windows. You can then start to use Kali and WinQX without installing any extra software. Choose the desktop you prefer. X. X is a lightweight desktop environment for Unix-like operating systems. It aims to be fast and low on system resources, while still being visually appealing and user-friendly. X consists of separately packaged parts that together provide all functions of the desktop environment, but can be selected in subsets to suit user needs and preferences. This is Kali's default desktop environment. GNOME Shell. Every part of GNOME Shell has been designed to make it simple and easy to use. The Activities Overview is an easy way to access all your basic tasks. A press of a button is all it takes to view your open windows, launch applications, or check if you have new messages. Having everything in one place is convenient and means that you don't have to learn your way through a maze of different technologies. KDE Plasma. Plasma is made to stay out of the way as it helps you get things done. But under its light and intuitive surface, it's a powerhouse. So you're free to choose ways of usage right as you need them and when you need them. With Plasma the user is king. Not happy with the color scheme? Change it. Want to have your panel on the left edge of the screen? Move it. Don't like the font? Use a different one. Download custom widgets in one click and add them to your desktop or panel.